guys, and welcome back to another clean with me video. Today I'm going to be tackling this bedroom up in here, which is my room, and it's just been neglected for days. So today is going to be the day. I'm just going to do all of the things to my bedroom. So if you guys need some motivation to clean your hot mess bedroom as well, honey, just keep watching.
Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me.
Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Vicious presenting.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa.
Let's go.
Summer's gone.
So when I wash my sheets, I just use the bedding preset that's already on the washing machine. And as for detergent, I'm using the Up and Up brand, the one that's compared to the All Free and Clear one, and I don't have any complaints so far. It's really inexpensive, so if you guys are looking for a All Free and Clear type detergent, I suggest the Up and Up brand because you get a lot and it's not expensive at all.
I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud. Didn't catch your name over there.
Right now I'm just going to put all the pillows back on my bed while my sheets are in the washing machine, and then I'm just going to pick up around my room, just tidy up a little bit, put all that random stuff in its place. There's things in my room that don't even belong in there, so that's what I'm doing now so that I can vacuum.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Lose control of myself, can't find you anywhere, been trying for too long. I give up, I'm out of luck, been looking everywhere, it doesn't make sense, no. So bring it back, cause I need you on the dance floor, 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now and I shouldn't care but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
So right now I'm just going to focus on the bottom part of my window because that's where all the nastiness and fingerprints from my kids are at. And when I do more of a deep clean, I will then go and do the entire window. But right now it doesn't really need to be clean, it's just the bottom part.
I guess it's history now and girl, you should wear a name tag. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
So when I'm picking up around the house, especially upstairs, I like to have a little trash bag with me to throw away like clothing tags or receipts, napkins, tissues, anything that's like random trash hanging around that I don't need. It's easier to get rid of that when I have a little trash bag right nearby instead of making a little pile to throw away for later. that the sheets are finished washing, I'm going to throw them in the dryer, but first I'm going to add some essential oils to my dryer balls that I love to use. They always make my sheets and towels smell so good, and I love that I can just reuse these balls over and over and over.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
So it's getting dark outside, so the lighting in here is a little yellow. We haven't changed out these light bulbs yet to like bright white. It's so much better in here compared to what it was before. There is nothing better than sleeping on fresh, clean sheets. You just sleep better. I love it. If you have any questions about our bedding, just leave it down in the comments. Anything about our room, just leave it down in the comments. We actually want to get 2 of the same nightstands. We want to put that one in the guest bedroom, and we're going to get 2 like big, like 3-drawer nightstands that we want for this bed, and we just have not found the right ones yet. Have our humidifier here, and then I definitely want to get something to go on top of this chest and on this wall. I want something to go on here or up here on this wall. We recently got these lamps right here. They are so cute. We've had our eye on this for like a year, and these are the Hearth and Hand lamps, and they kind of adjust how you want them to, and the shade goes like that. So see if we get any nightstands anytime soon. So I'm just gonna keep those right here for now. All of my windows are clean. The mirror is clean. It's so much better now. I look a hot mess. I put these flowers up here, and I love these. These look so real in person. I got these from Target. These are the Threshold faux flowers or whatever. And I love them. They were actually on clearance for like $2.50 a piece. I put that up here for now, and I feel like it gives the room just a little bit of spring and happiness when you first walk in. I'm gonna back up. We definitely have some plans. I mean, we only have 1 more year here until we move. How cool is this area right here? It has its own ceiling fan and light. If this was our like home, I would probably hang a huge chandelier right there. It's like a sitting area. I'm not sure if we're gonna get to that. Our closet is in there, and this is our bathroom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.